Hello everyone, it's me again and I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. So today I just got some things in and I just wanted to share this with y'all. I'm going to be quick and get this video done and over with. I'm just getting off from work and I came home to these items, and I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing with you guys. So here we go. How y'all doing? I hope all is well with everyone. It's been a very humid day out there today. So this is the biggest box. I'm just going right now from biggest to little. So bear with me, you guys. This is a big one. So I'm just sit this down right here. Yeah, it's been very humid, y'all, and I'm just so happy to be home. I'm so blessed to have a home to come to. You know, you just gotta count your blessings. So here we go. I have this. There she is. This is the inside of the bag. It's all red. That's what draw me to this bag. Um, Believe it or not, I have no black bags, and I've kind of been on the whole thing with just brown bags. And one of my coworkers, she was like, "Oh, girl, you need to let me borrow a purse. Let me rent a purse." And she was like, "Let me rent a black one." And I was like, "I don't have any black bags." She was like, "You don't have a black bag?" So that was the reason for the purchase of this. Um, Let me tell you about this. When I purchased this bag, I didn't know it came in multiple bags. This was the first one I saw, in multiple sizes. This was the first one I saw, and I just went with it. As I'm waiting on it to come in, the bag came. I realized it comes in a smaller size, and I was very upset. I read the dimension of the bag, and I was like, "Oh, that's too big." So I'm still debating on whether I want to keep this one or not. It's kind of a little too big for me. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So that is it. It has feet at the bottom. So let me take the rest of the strap off. Ugh. Make sure I try to get it in the bag this time. I mean the box this time, because the last time I did an unboxing, I just had paper everywhere, and I already have a mess to clean up. So this is the inside of the bag. Oh, what gorgeous. Oh, this is so gorgeous. OMG. So it says this bag can fit up to a 16-inch laptop. I don't know. I don't have a 16-inch laptop, so I really didn't care. So I knew if it could fit up to a 16-inch laptop, it could fit my iPad Pro. That's the main thing I was just going for. So this is the inside zipper part of the bag. It has a little light padding in there. Okay. um it just drops like that. I don't, and this is why I don't care for Coach totes, because it's a little too flimsy for me. When you look at the bag online, it doesn't look like that, but as I'm getting it, it's a little too thin. But overall, I do like the bag. It's not too big. I'm thinking about keeping it, just to have a bigger bag. But I do prefer the smaller one. But with Coach, it's kind of a hassle with their returns. So I don't know. I'm just thinking about keeping it. I already have a coworker that's ready to buy it from me. So anyway, but yeah, this is it's called the Tatum Carry-All, and it's the 40. It has a little Coach tag on the front. It has 2 slots on each side to drop some things in. This is a very, very big bag. And then of course, like I just showed you, it has a middle pocket, and I can just drop my iPad in there on my long work days. Doesn't have any inside pockets other than that. Everything is just drop. I guess that's why it should have been called a drop all, not a carry all. But yeah, kind of giving me church vibes. I ain't lying. Like, it really is. All right, on to the next. So this one I am kind of excited about, because this is something else that I really don't have and been needing. And I am happy to finally say I have one. Finally. OMG. Yes, I'm very excited about this one. That's something else. A book bag. I was so excited about this, and it looks just how it looks online. Oh, that is cute. So you have your back. Ooh, it has some kind of thick pattern. But anyway, it has a front pocket. And all this is this Coach items. You have a front pocket, which is a very decent size. Then you have a middle pocket. I'm not pulling none of this stuff out. I'll pull it out for you guys. I'm just exhausted. It's been a long, hot day. So that's the inside. I want y'all to see how deep that is. That's very deep. And then I can't wait to carry this backpack. All right. And that's the back pocket. So it has, let me get myself together in order, because all right, so it has the front pocket, and then it has one right here, and then it has one in the back. That's what I love about this backpack. Oh, that is just so awesome, man. This is the cutest little thing ever, and it's so compact. Let me, yes, I am feeling this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. I like. All right. Next. Oh, I hate these envelopes. Because they have all this dust stuff. Okay. Let's just, all right. First but not first. All right. And y'all already know. Y'all already know. Voila. And you know she goes with her. Oh, I can't wait to rock this. I'm too excited. This is just the cutest. So, trust me, I am speeding through this. I am speeding through this, hunty. I promise you. Okay. Oh, this is a cute little wallet. I like the way it is. So, it has this little inside part. You can stick stuff right in there. You got another slot right here on this side. You got your cards and ID display right here. You got some cards slots right here. And you have where you could put some cash right up in here. I mean, this is just the cutest compact wallet. Oh man. And then you have a back zipper part back up in here that opens, and some more things. This is just the cutest, man. This is so cute. I am loving this wallet. This is so cute. All right. I dropped the other one. All right. Next. I gotta clean up anyway. And you guys know what this goes to, of course. This baby. I was trying to find a wallet that had red on the inside, but I couldn't. I thought that would have been so nice to the bag itself. So you have, oh, this is unique. So you have your cash slot right here. You have all your ID slots on each side. You have a ID window, and then you have little slots back here. There's no slot on that side. And you have a slot back here, and then you have a little zipper part up in here also, but you're carrying all the care instructions. So that's a very unique wallet. I like that. That's very cute. Very cute. Finally got my black addition to everything. And also thought I was finished. I ain't finished yet. I'm trying to speed through this. I promise you, I am. Got this charm, and this is a big size charm. It really is. The weight on it is heavy. Oh, and it got the horse and carriages. I can mix and match this with a few things. So there it is. That's gorgeous. It's so cute. That's very pretty. Also, not done yet. Excuse me, you guys. I have a couple of more things. So if you remember my the one before this, anyway, unboxing, I have a bag that matched this. Come on, focus, focus. There you go. So this is the wallet that I purchased to match it. The only thing that I can find available, which was a wristlet. And I actually like these wristlet because I can store a whole bunch of little compact things in these things. They're like the perfect size, especially when you have a smaller bag. I can fit quite a bit of things in here. And nothing but packaging, and on the inside is pink, just as the bag is. So I love it. I love it. I'm almost done, you guys. I promise. I promise. I will come back with another video and show you guys like everything from Coach that I recently purchased with all the matching charms and bags. I just don't want to be before you too long right now. So, and this bad boy. And that's like I said, my last video, which was the unboxing of the Rowan. The brown and black Rowan. This is the wallet that actually just came in for that. So the past, I bought 2 Rowans, which I got 3 Rowans altogether, but the last 2 Rowans that I just purchased, I bought the Space Wildflower one, and these are the wallets that just came in, and then I bought the brown and black one. So these are the 2 wallets that came in for both Rowans. So this is for the Space Wildflower one. And then this one is for the black and brown one. So I'm going to get into details with this wallet for you. You have a couple of card slots right here in the front. You have your ID picture ID slot in the back. It opens up, and let's see. So there's no slots on the inside. I guess it's just drop in on the inside. Yeah, it's just drop in on the inside. So I guess you just drop your cards in, and then it has a slot right here, a slot right on the side also. And then it has like this little keychain thing that comes on there. I guess you can carry as a little wristlet also. And this is not fully detachable, but it can clamp to something else. So yeah, that's pretty unique. I like that. It's cute. That kind of caught my eye. I did see this same wallet for Space Wildflower in this print, but it was on eBay, and the person that was selling it wanted I believe $96 for it. I was like, oh no, y'all overcharging. Like Coach literally had it for the sale for $27. I wasn't gonna pay. And then I think it's more than the original price that Coach even charged for the wallet itself. I think the original price for the wallet was $68. So I was like, no, that's just too much. I'm not paying $68 for a wallet like this, even though it's Coach. But no, not when the retail value is less than what y'all selling it for. I just don't agree on that. So yeah, these are the 2 wallets. So let me just go over everything. I just that. This, I don't know why this Space Wildflower just don't focus. Oh, all right. And this charm, this beautiful charm, oh man, I can't wait to rock that on the bag. And then I have this bag may be a giveaway, I ain't lying. And once again, this is the Tatum Carry All, the wallet that matches. This bag was $199, and the wallet was $68. And the book bag. And the wallet was, I think, $60, and the bag was $159. This book bag is everything. I love it. I love it. Well, all right, you guys, that's the ending of this video. Remember to always bless someone else. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, you be blessed. Bye.